Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so dear friends, now I am standing here at this moment and I would like to say something about in my video. Okay, so dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment. Okay, so dear friends, actually my English not for good, and I also try my English journey, and continuously and regularly I am practicing regularly. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I can't making video for my practicing purposes. Okay, so dear friends, today I have come here, and as we can see in our behind side, you can see one cow, and this cow eating grass in the field. Okay, so dear friends, actually so many viewers and ask me why, and why actually how to improve learning English, and how many time and do you study for learning English. Okay, so actually I regularly practice for English learning. I am practice for daily minimum 10 minute or 15 minute, regularly practice only for video making purposes. I spend time for video making purpose, and I also watching for English content video for YouTube, and so many YouTube content creator and provides for English learning video. I am watching for English content creator video, and as well as I am making English video for practicing purposes. Okay, so my one friend, he asked me how to improve in your English. Yes, actually I tell you, and I am practice for video making is the best way for learning English. Okay, so you can also apply this way for video making is the best way for learning English. And on the other hand, you also reading, writing, and first of all you have to listening, and actually you don't listen any English podcast channel, and first of all you have to good listener, then you have to practice. Okay, so this is the way for learning English. I also apply this way for learning English. Okay, so today actually I not for video making purpose I have come, just I have come in our cow, actually visit in our cow. So you can see this is our cow. Okay, so thank you.